Okay, let's start this video. What is good? It is your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am doing this no makeup look, and I am serving natural teas. I am giving it to the girls. So if you're interested, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And now that that's done, let's go. Hey y'all, so I am doing like this little quick 10-minute no makeup look. Everything that I need is inside of this bag. So yeah, we're just about to get started. The primer I'm going in with is the e.l.f. hydrating primer. As you all notice that my brows are not done yet because I'm going to do them a little bit later inside the video. And y'all just ignore this. I'm laying my edges. So yeah. Just gonna use whatever's left over for my hands. Skin is primed. So I'm just taking this NYX HD concealer. You guys already know the drill. Actually, no you don't, because this is my first time posting a video like this, but I'm just covering up my dark marks. And I'm just using a concealer that's close to my skin tone. Around that mouth. I just want to conceal all the areas that are a little bit darker so I can have like an even base, because we are not going in with foundation today. I'm literally scraping this. I need to get another one. A little bit under the eyes. Okay, that should be good. Don't y'all hate when y'all edge control just like cakes up? So annoying. I just let that concealer sit for a bit so it could give me more coverage and cover those darker areas on my face. Not into makeup like that, you can definitely do this, or even if you want to wear this to work, you can do that as well. Super easy, and it's not messy. So there's that nice smooth even base. Can't see any dark spots. I'm just gonna take my powder brush and my Sephora Micro Smooth finishing powder in the shade Deep, and we're just gonna buff that over the entire face. This powder is medium to full coverage, so it is buildable. And I love the finish on this powder. It is super good. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to take this concealer, the LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and just put that in the areas that need to be highlighted. Now I'm not going down as much because this is just a no makeup look, so this is just a your skin but better tutorial. Lift those bags, because sis, we do not want to look like we do not get any sleep. And I also want to put some on my eyes, or on my eyelid. That looks super crazy, but that's okay. Just gonna blend this out with a brush. Or you could blend it out with your finger. I just like using a brush. That looks so good. So I'm just taking this Rimmel London Stay Matte powder in the shade Translucent just to set that area. Whoa, I just poked myself in the eye. Going in with this bronzer from the Lip Bar. The shade is Just Got Paid. That's what she looks like. I'm just using this bronzer just to bring some color back. I look super bronzed right now. I can take this off now. Ooh, look at them edges, baby. Yes. Y'all, look at this. This look too good. I'm taking a really nice natural blush, which is from e.l.f. in the shade Always Spicy. Oh, I forgot to bronze my nose, but I'll do it after. Really nice everyday blush. Give you a nice flush of color. And I'm just gonna quickly bronze my nose. Oh, and also add some bronzer like in the, what is this called? My crease, just to add some color there. That was easy, right? So now I'm just gonna go into my brows, brush those up. And the brow pencil I'm going in with is the CoverGirl. You already know, nothing new. And if you don't know, now you know. And also, you should be subscribing to my channel. So I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. I just did my brow, so this is going to go really quick. And I'm just doing like a natural brow. I'm not doing nothing like fancy or anything of that sort. And I'm just filling them in. But I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so just make sure to check that out if you would like to see my steps on how I do my brows when I'm doing like a full beat. Just taking this spoolie just to blend that in. Now that the brows are done, I'm just going to set them with my favorite brow gel, which is from e.l.f. This is $2 at Ulta. Go get you some. Don't say I didn't put you on. So after I set my brows, I'm going back into the translucent powder just to clean up this little area here, so that little contour area don't look, you know, a little messy, but just clean it up a bit. That is that. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Cinnamon. It's like a little highlighter. I'm gonna rub my finger in it just to warm up the product. And just dab it right here. You see that? Have a little bit of glow. From within. Take that powder brush that we used and just make sure everything blends together. And take this setting spray, the Morphe Luminous setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my face. Y'all already know I like to just go ham with setting sprays. So while that dries, I'm just going to put some mascara on my eyes. I'm not putting on any lashes today. This is very natural look, like I said. If I can open it. Going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Okay, so after putting on mascara, it's time to go in with lips. And I'm just doing a glossy lip because this is just an everyday makeup look. I'm taking this e.l.f. lip lacquer. Does this have a shade? Yep, in the shade Clear. And just put that on my lips. This gloss is super good, super hydrating. I did not want to get makeup on that, but yeah. Y'all see that glow? Y'all, I cannot make this up. This look too freaking good. And on the list of things that I did was that. And if you say I don't look good, then you are lying. Okay, all right, y'all. So this is my super quick, easy 10-minute no makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. By the way, do you like what I did with my hair? I just wanted to switch it up for y'all. I got my edges on fleek, got my little scarf bun, you know, just to do a little something different, give you a little natural tease. This look is super easy, super simple. If you're just now getting into makeup, this will be like a go-to look. If you do not like using foundation, you can do this. Even if you don't want to do like a full glam, you can go to this, because I'm giving the girls very natural tease. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And also comment down below if you guys are thinking about trying this no makeup look, because I am serving looks, honey, okay? And I want you to serve looks too, with that little natural glow, little natural no makeup look, okay? But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.